Parang hindi ka kumakain ng mga isaw tsaka Betamax
Talaga, never ako kumain nun.
Grabe ka ng mga pangusga dito. Lagi-lagi ko itong pinapalikan. Pamula nung pumapasok pa ako dati nung high school. Dito lagi kami kumakain ng mga tropa ko. Dati ka mga pangusga.
Well, I have my own money.
Palipasa, puro puro steak tsaka wolf lang kinakain mo eh. Hindi ka na siguro nagda-Jollibee, di ba?
Anong paki mo? Basta hindi ako kakain sa ganito.
Ano yung naririnig ko? Parang gutom ka na yata. Yung chan mo, tumutunog lang.
Ako? No. Gunugin mo lang yun.
Kumain ka na kasi eh. Anong pang inarte sa buhay, no?
What do you think of me? Kakain ako dyan. Wait, let me get my money. Nasaan yung pera ko? Wait.
Nangyari?
Teka lang. Nandito lang yun eh. Wala ata.
Pwede sabihin, nawawala pa walis mo, ganun.
Hindi ko alam. Pero, hindi ko makita eh.
Maraming inarte, boss. Isa pa nga pares, boss. Ay, sige, boss. Gusto ko dyan, dali.
Kuya, baka po may laso niyan.
Grabe naman po kayo sa akin, ma'am. Naman po, ganun. Ay, yan na. Hindi kasi kumakain niya ng pares. Wala. Sige po, boss. Kain ka din, boss. Kaya ako sa waiting to. Salamat din mo may laso eh. Mas mukha pang ikaw yung mandalason eh.
Salamat sa mga ulit pera ko.
Wala, hindi mo na mahanap yun.
Hindi ko gusto kumain dito.
Kumain ka na lang, grasa yan, no? Tinatanggihan mo yung biyaya. Sa'yo, parang di ka Pilipino, eh, no?
So what's up, guys? As you can see, here's my new account, but I have a big problem. I don't have any Robux. But there's no problem because I know where to get Robux. First thing you need to do is to click the game you're playing. It could be Valorant, Roblox, or any game. Basically, the Metal releases quests which have various rewards like Robux. By simply clipping Roblox games while playing. And now, how does it work? Metal is an easy recording tool to clip and share good moments while playing games like Roblox. Also, other games. The quests mentioned are only available in the Metal desktop app, and also I use it to record amazing experiences with my friends. Now, in order for you to participate, all you need to do is to download Metal on your PC. When it's completely done, head over to the quest on the right sidebar and start the quest. Complete the quest requirements, and clip using Metal. Easy, right? So what are you waiting for? Sign up. Download the Metal desktop app to start clipping using my link in the description. And now the Robux rampage on Metal is happening for the entire month of June. Metal is free.
Ayun lang. Sorry. May kwarto pa to. Ayun lang. Bye-bye. 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 So, let's go. Patayin na natin. May port